If a bag of Reese's doesn't stand a chance near you, then you need to keep watching. We're making peanut butter balls. Everyone in the South that I know that makes these makes them all a little bit different, and they all taste amazing. So what you need to take away from that is knowing that you can't mess these up. I'm gonna do one half of the batch plain for my kids, and the other half I just went all in with them pecans. I would have did coconut too, but I went to the grocery store and squirrel all the pretty colors. I got distracted. For my melting chocolate, I always choose almond bark. It's cheap and it tastes amazing. I always add a tablespoon though of vegetable oil or coconut oil because I feel like it makes the melting chocolate pour better. And I melted it in the microwave in like 30, it says 30-second increments, but girl, I did a minute at a time. I ain't got time for all that. Would you look at that thirst trap? You liked it. Don't even say you didn't. Okay, love your face.